How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram following and followers list. To do so, first of all, you will need to change your account settings to private, which restrict visibility to only approved followers. Also, you will need to ensure that your account is set to personal. You cannot hide your followers and following list if you have a creator or professional account. Now to check or change this, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner. This will take you to Settings and Privacy page. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down, and if you find this Professional section, tap on this Creator Tools and Controls option, and then here you will need to scroll down until you locate Switch Account Type option. Simply tap on it and then tap on Switch to Personal Account. By doing this, a pop-up will appear. Here tap on Switch to Personal Account option and then you'll be able to switch it to the personal account. Now after switching it to the personal account, you'll be able to change your account to private. For that, you will need to come to the Settings and Activity page, and in this page, you will need to find this Who Can See Your Content section, and under it, locate Account Privacy option. Now simply tap on it, and then inside it, here tap on the toggle button at the right side of this Private Account option. By doing so, a pop-up will appear at the very bottom. Here it also says that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos once you have switched it to the private. Tap on the switch it to private and then you will be able to turn it to private. This change means only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and who you are following. Also, if there are users already following you that you don't want to have access to your following and followers list, then you can simply remove them. For that, tap on the home icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you reach to this profile page, here tap on your follower list, and from here find the user you would like to remove. Simply tap on the cross icon at the right side of it to remove them as the follower. They won't be notified of their removal. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide following and follower list on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.